In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wix with HubSpot. This is a simple connection that can help you keep your website and customer data working together more smoothly. If you use Wix for your site and HubSpot for marketing, sales, or customer management, linking the two platforms can make it easier to manage contacts and streamline your workflow. To get started, first log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage more than one, since integrations are usually connected at the account level. Once you're inside HubSpot, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all menu options are available and easy to access. Next, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps its app integrations, tools, and connection options for third-party platforms. If you haven't used it before, think of it as the central place for finding apps that expand what HubSpot can do. Opening the Marketplace is the quickest way to locate the Wix integration. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Wix. Type in the name clearly and wait for the search results to appear. You should see the Wix integration listed among the available apps. If there are several results, look for the one that directly matches the Wix platform so you choose the correct connection. Taking a second to confirm this helps avoid installing the wrong app. After you've opened the Wix integration page, click Install. At this point, HubSpot will begin the connection process and you'll be prompted to sign in. This sign-in step is important because it verifies your access and allows the two platforms to connect securely. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and complete the login process as requested. If the sign-in window doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the setup. It's also a good idea to make sure you have the right permissions in both HubSpot and Wix before starting, especially if you're working in a team account. And that's it. Once you've completed the sign-in process, your Wix and HubSpot integration should be on its way to being connected. This is a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently your tools work together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.